Welcome back. Today on Real Reviews, we have the Pro Mini M18 that was sent out to us by Gladorn. So big thanks to you guys for sending this out to us. This is a super cool little portable Bluetooth speaker with some lighting modes on it. Let's take it out of the box and see what we get. So first off, we have a little warranty card right here. Just shows that you get a nice 18-month warranty on the Gladorn speaker. Then we have our little manual here. Shows you everything you need to know about your speaker. Pretty nice. And then we have the speaker. Pretty cool looking. And finally, the cable. So this is everything that comes in the package right here. You have your manual, you have your warranty card, your speaker, and your charging cable. Let's take a look at the speaker. It's pretty nice looking, feels good. It says Gladorn here at the top. You have your buttons here. You have your light button, volume down, volume up, your power button. This is the little lighting display right there, pretty nice. Over on the back, you have your USB-C charging port. And then on the bottom, you have some little rubberized feet so it doesn't slide around when you have it on the table. Now, I guess you can pretty much put it like this. You could probably put it like that, and you can also have it on the feet just like this. Let's go ahead and power it on. Hold down the button here. Ooh, and there we go. There's the lights. Look, it says high. Pretty bright. I don't know if you could dim that or not. Doesn't look like it. So as far as the lighting modes go, it does have 9 lighting modes. Let's check them out. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So those are the different lighting modes that the speaker has, and obviously you have off. So that's pretty much it for the lighting effects right there, and we will check those out and see what they look like when the music is playing. Let's go ahead and pair this to our device and see what it comes up as. It should be automatically on pairing mode once you power it on for the first time. So it's just called the Gladorn M18. Let's go ahead and pair to it. And there we go, now it's paired. So they actually sent me 2 speakers so we can connect them in TWS. So let's go ahead and try this and see how it works. The way that you're supposed to do it, first off, you have to have it disconnected from Bluetooth. You need to power both of your speakers on. Hold the button down. Okay, they're both powered on. Now, one of the speakers, you're supposed to double press the power button. Hopefully that means that it paired, that it actually TWS connected. Now let's go ahead and try to connect it. Oh, there we go. So it just made that little chime. I believe it actually just did connect. Now let's see if we can pair to it. It actually sounded like it was connected. So let's play something and see if it's actually in TWS stereo. Ooh, nice. That sounds pretty cool. Let's try the lighting modes out. And they actually go in unison, which is really nice. I don't know which one is my favorite though. We're just gonna kind of go through all of them here. So that's a little too bright for me. That's like a lot of colors. You can pretty much put in any color you want. This one kind of goes to the music. That's kind of cool right there. I kind of like this one. Looks like it dances to the music with a lot of different colors in it. Pretty cool looking. I like that one. I'll probably just leave it right there. Specifications of the Gladorn Pro Mini M18. It has a single driver, 8 watts of power with 360-degree sound, 1800 mAh battery, 3.5 hours of charge time, gets you up to 20 hours of playtime, has 9 lighting modes, IPX6 waterproof, will protect you against spills and splashes, but it cannot be submerged. It does offer TWS stereo. It's about 9.36 ounces is the weight. So measurements of the speaker are approximately 3 7/8 inches long by 3 5/8 inches tall and 3 5/8 inches across. And this can be used in many scenarios, like for relaxation, meditation, maybe while you're cooking, making your favorite meal, for workouts, and definitely around the pool. At just around $20 with the coupon code, you can't really go wrong with this little speaker. What we're going to do right now is play a few tracks for you guys so you can see what these speakers sound like. They're going to be at 95% volume. And we're going to alternate between one speaker and TWS. So please just sit back and enjoy the music.
questions. Why does no one ever see me? Did I do something wrong? Did I hurt feelings? It is hard to be found when no one's looking. I am feeling left out and I keep screaming. No one ever understands it. Feels like I became an Atlantis. Hidden from the world, I'm looking for a way.
Tell me if you're hurt and I'll be there. Carry you away to the promised land. Feel your heartbeat and don't be scared. 'Cause I'll be there, yes I'll be there. You and I, we can fly anywhere you wanna go. Find a place we can hide, we can make it on our own. All along for the ride, till the stars just follow. You and I, side by side, dancing in your halo.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I'll never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of yesterday.
So my final thoughts on the Gladorn Pro Mini M18 speaker. I think it's a decent speaker. I think build quality is pretty good. You can actually position it in different scenarios, well, different directions, I guess you could say. One thing you do want to keep in mind is that this actually vibrates a lot and it can kind of move around and eventually maybe even fall off of your table or your counter, wherever you might have it. So just do be careful about that because it almost actually fell off of my TV stand just a few minutes ago. But I think that overall, especially for the current price point on Amazon with the coupon, it's right around $20. I say for 20 bucks, this is really unbeatable. And it does have a decent sound. Now, it's not like any type of like room filling sound, but if you wanted to use it as a computer speaker, as a personal speaker on your desk at work or on your desk at home, or maybe while you're cooking or next to you by the pool, meditation, relaxation, things of that nature, I say it's definitely going to work in those scenarios. So if you're interested in purchasing a speaker, I will have a link in the description where you'll be able to get it from. And if you would like to support the channel, please be sure to use my links since anything you purchase does generate a small revenue. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell button so you never miss another video on Real Reviews. See you guys next time.